Portia and Nerissa disguises themselves as the lawyer and the clerk and come to the court. Here there were lots of arguments between the Duke, Bassanio and Antonio. Duke is the one who is the highest authority of the state, who is supposed to solve the disputes here, but since he could not, he asks the help of Bellario. Now Bellario sends a letter and Nerissa brings it, and Duke finds that Bellario is not able to come because he was sick, and he sends Portia in his place. And Portia tells that she is Balthazar, and because she has dressed in a lawyer's dress, a boy's clothes, so therefore others could not recognize her. Even Nerissa was dressed as a clerk and they could not recognize her. And Gratiano, who accompanied Bassanio, had married Nerissa, the servant of Portia. Then we see here in the court proceedings, Shylock was very adamant to take a pound of flesh. They offered many times the money, double the amount, triple the amount, but Shylock told that even if they pay 6 times more the amount, he would not be accepting the money. He says the reason that it is because he has a deep-seated hatred towards Antonio, that he is even taking this losing case because he cannot get any money from there. He will get only some rotten flesh. It is of no use, but yet he is going to take that because of the deep-seated hatred towards Antonio. So here we see it was a very difficult situation. Portia had to give the judgment according to the law because he had signed the bond. The pronunciation of judgment was that Shylock can take a pound of flesh from close to the heart. So therefore Shylock is ready to cut the pound of flesh, but Portia comes in and says that if he cuts a pound of flesh, he should not spill the blood because it is not mentioned in the bond. In the exact words of the bond is that he should cut a pound of flesh. Nothing is mentioned about the blood. Same way she says that he should cut exact pound of flesh, not less, not more. So it was very difficult for Shylock to cut exact pound of flesh at one go and also not to spill any blood. So therefore he now requests to give him the money, but he cannot get the money because many times he denied money in the open court. So therefore he cannot get the money. Now moreover, he was going to be punished by the state because he planned against the citizen of the country. So therefore he was going to be punished. The whole of his land and wealth would be confiscated. Confiscated means officially taken away land or property of a person as a punishment. Officially by the government, the land and property will be taken away as a punishment. That is called confiscated. So his land and goods would be confiscated. Similarly, he had planned against a citizen, therefore his life also is in danger. He could get a death sentence. But if he pleads for mercy from Duke, he will be relieved. So Duke, before even his asking, he says that he is showing mercy and pardoning him. His life is his. He need not worry about it. So this is the story all about, and thus Portia and Nerissa saves them, and husbands do not recognize them, and they come back to Belmont, and there is a small confusion about the ring that at present you need not know, but what is necessary is that this story, both story, bond story and the casket story. And in your lesson you have the court scene, a part of a court scene is given in your book. Since you have this background of this story, you may understand it better. So please go through this story and try to understand. And the lesson has a typical old or ancient language, and it is given in verse form, like a poetic form. So carefully pay attention to the meanings of the words and try to understand it.